The Apple iPad has a revolutionary new graphical interface for dealing and sorting and responding to mail. Hi, I'm Rokaz, your digital lifestyle expert, and I'm going to show you some tips on using your email on the new iPad. The materials you'll need to get started will be an iPad, your finger or an iPad stylus, and an internet connection. All right, the first tip is to keep an eye on your mail icon, which is right down here. This is where it comes pre-installed, but you'll notice this little number up here. And this is telling us that we have 11 unread messages. So let's launch mail and see. Aha! Go to my inbox here, and you can see here, oh, we got Apple, thanks for purchasing your iPad. This message right over here. So these are the 11. These are some of them, and there's a few more as we move down here that are obviously unread. Another tip is keep your eye out for the blue dots. The blue dots tell us that we have not read the message. Let's go ahead and check that out. I'm going to push this one over here, which happens to be the exact same email. And when we go back to the inbox, whoop, we can see that it no longer has the blue dot. All right, latest, there we go. We see it here. And then back to the inbox. Here's another great tip. When looking at your mail, turn it sideways. That's where it really becomes a neat tool. Because now we have it here. It's always with us. We can say, oh, what are we doing up here? Let's take a peek at the Apple one. And let's take a peek at the thanks for purchasing. And let's take a peek at this one over here. And let's take a peek at that one over there. All right. Another great tip is to move on over to your settings tab. All right, once we hit our setting tab, and it's got a beautiful layout, we'll go to Mail, Contacts, and Calendars, okay? And then over here, you want to go to Fetch New Data. It's on Push is on, which means it comes, and I like mine every 15 minutes. So that way we get up-to-date emails and notifications when that happens. So the push is on, it's done to every 15 minutes, and we go back to our home screen. So those are the basics. Checking your email has never been simpler or easier on the new Apple iPad. I'm Rokaz, your digital lifestyle expert, saying, stream you later.